Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're going to be painting a beautiful wave on a round canvas. So here is the round canvas. They're not easy for us to get where I live. And here I've prepared the little cups that will hold the canvas up so that the paint can pour off the ends. I want to reuse the blue background paint I prepared for my previous wave, but to give it a bit of a different shade, I want to incorporate a little bit of white. Sometimes when your paint has been sitting waiting to be reused, it thickens a little bit. So you can always add a little bit of Floetrol, or you can add another pouring medium, whatever is available at your location. So to start, I'm going to add a little bit of my pre-diluted white because I want to lighten the blue, and I'm going to do it small amounts at a time. So I want it to be quite light blue. I also want to improve the consistency to make the background color a little bit more liquid. You can see it creates quite a bit of bubbles, so it's important to be able to have your torch nearby. So you can see that it's already a lot more flowing, and I'm quite happy with that. For the actual wave colors, today I want to be using the Golden High Flow Acrylics. I've got violet, dark, I've got teal, I've got ultramarine blue, and I'm going to also try and add a little bit of, it's called green light. Also, I will be using the white. The white I just dilute myself. Again, this is from the previous paint. So I just want to make sure, yes, see how it's still quite liquid and it has a little bit of a purple tint to it. So I think I might just add a little bit of white to lighten it. And because I use white quite a bit and different shades of white, I don't mind having a bit too much because I can always keep it. So it's quite liquid. I'm keeping it quite liquid to maintain similar consistency to the Golden High Flow Acrylics. Alright, so setting up all the paints on the side. My blowtorch has been playing up a little bit, so hopefully it will work today. Placing the acrylic on top of my little cups. And I'll start with the background color. And I really hope this will be enough. Otherwise, I might need to just add a little bit of white. Perhaps in between. Because I don't mind having it lighter. And I don't mind, for the sake of experiment, in this canvas, to have two colors in the background. So I might add the white just kind of in between. I'm going to use my largest palette knife to distribute the paint. And it's just going to mix itself in with the white quite nicely. going to tip the canvas a little bit. It's created a nice marbling effect in the background. Just need to distribute the paint a little bit more evenly and smoothly. I used to be very impatient with this process, but I actually learned that this is important to be patient with this one. It's not the most exciting part of creating a painting. But you want that background to be as smooth as possible, unless of course you're working to create some texture. And sometimes I do like texture, in which case I make the background paint a little bit thicker. You can also use various mediums to create texture. All right, almost there. Good. So I'm quite happy with that. In fact, I quite like this part, and I'll probably want to leave it less touched, as in I want to keep this part of the background. My wave is going to go this way, so this will be the part that remains. So I like to start with my darker blues to create the shape. Always shake these ones. They're very high flow, so just make sure that you don't press too hard, because you're gonna get way too much paint on the canvas. And for these ones I learned if it becomes a dot rather than a line, like so, it's okay, because you can trace to connect them. So I never finish the line of the wave, because we're going to use the palette knife later. And you see how the more liquid paint reacts. That's okay as well. I do like to have a little bit more of the lighter colors also on the outside of the wave. Not necessarily a lot. And I think there will be more thickness here, so more of the wave, so I'll want to create some more dark shapes here, a little bit of here. I have not used the light green before in the wave, so I'm just going to tread lightly. Make sure that it's actually open, it's a new paint. See? Yep, need to open it first. Alright. Give it a good shake. Let's give it a try. Can always add more later. So let's make sure we don't overdo it. I'm going to add some more blue. And teal. Okay, now I want to add some white. Oh, bump the camera with my head. Why not? Okay, now let's try and create some magic. I want to start with, I quite like small palette knives, or medium, not very large. Just trying to find the right size with these two, so you have more control. I do need some paper towels, and actually I'm going to get my towel so I can wipe the palette knife. Alright, I'm going to start this way, and I think I want to start closer to the edge of the canvas.
body like a model. You got a body that you always find. Open up a bottle, and baby, you can have whatever you want. You taste so sweet, I can't help myself. You like candy, you like liquid honey. You taste so sweet, I can't help myself. You like candy, you like liquid honey. Oh, ah. We're moving places I can't control. I don't know how to be without you. I don't feel whole. Look what you've done to me now. You got a body like a model. You got a body that you always find. Open up a bottle, and baby, you can have whatever you want. You taste so sweet, I can't help myself. You like candy, you like liquid honey. You taste so sweet, I can't help myself. You like candy, you like liquid honey. You like liquid honey. You like liquid honey. No, you like liquid honey. You like liquid honey. You like liquid honey. I told you I'm not here to mess around, and you've been acting too mysterious. You didn't think I'd go, but do you now? You never took me seriously. You don't have the time for me. I don't have the time to please you. I'll pack all your things away. You're welcome. Broken promises that got me out of work. I'm leaving and I'm never coming back. Don't wanna deal with you, don't wanna feel for you. It's your loss. Broken promises that got me out of work. I'm leaving and I'm never coming back. Don't wanna deal with you, don't wanna feel for you. It's your loss. I never really liked the way you dressed. I guess I thought your style might grow on me. You're never really honest, made me guess. And now I want you far from close to me. You don't have the time for me. I don't have the time to please you. I'll pack all your things away. You're welcome. Broken promises that got me out of work. I'm leaving and I'm never coming back. Don't wanna deal with you, don't wanna feel for you. It's your loss. Broken promises that got me out of work. I'm leaving and I'm never coming back. Don't wanna deal with you, don't wanna feel for you. It's your loss.
Strawberry on my lips and chocolate fingertips. I can feel the beat running through the speakers. Blue skies, blue waves, every day's a good day. Lazy Sunday afternoon, I'ma take Monday off too. Ooh, got me so in love with the summer days. feeling dizzy from the summer haze. Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. Rose color on my cheeks, yeah. I feel so on fleek. Forget who we are. Let's dance until dawn. Music on repeat. You can beat this feeling. Let's keep this going on and on. Crack open models on and on and on and on it. Caught up in the moment. Feels just like I'm dreaming. Ooh, got me so in love with the summer days. Ooh, got me feeling dizzy from the summer haze. Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. Hey, cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah.
Pardon me, why don't you come over here? I need to ask you something quickly, my dear. Why do you always settle for something less? You know that, baby, you deserving the best. Yeah, yeah. Go take a look up in the mirror. You gotta see a little clearer. Who's that woman looking right back? And she's a beauty queen, bad. You ain't nobody's number two. These men, they should be fighting over you. No second guessing what I'm saying. Baby, you can take this to the bank and make us win. It's time to listen to yourself right now. Make us win. Don't even listen to these guys right now. Make us win. Let's treasure buried deep inside right now. Make us win. So go and see what you can find right now. Don't you know you're not just some other girl? There's no one like you anywhere in the world. You have a strength like nothing I've ever seen. You're like a woman ripped right out of my dreams. Yeah, yeah. Go take a look up in the mirror. You gotta see a little clearer. Who's that woman looking right back? And she's a beauty queen, bad. You ain't nobody's number two. These men, they should be fighting over you. No second guessing what I'm saying. Baby, you can take this to the bank and make us win. It's time to listen to yourself right now. Make us win. Don't even listen to these guys right now. Make us win. Just like this, I'm telling no lies. Make us wait. It's time to listen to yourself right now. Make us wait. Don't even listen to these guys right now. Make us wait. There's treasure buried deep inside right now. Make us wait. So go and see what you can find right now. Make us wait. It's time to listen to yourself right now. Make us wait. Don't even listen to these guys right now. Make us wait. There's treasure buried deep inside right now. Make us wait. So go and see what you can find right now.
Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. Girls like me, I like a magnet to a knife. Can like a lighter from the ocean. I sell them my devotion and show them my thoughts. Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost. I found a rainbow in the shade, the shadiest of places, a better one I saw. I said, oh, I've been love somebody. Oh, can you even let me get that close? Baby, the fire calling me, boy, you don't know what's underneath your skin. Well, do you love yourself? Before you come and waste my time, boy, you don't know I can read your mind. Oh,
help me build up my feelings. You shatter them quickly, I let you. It's easier than fighting, but I know I give you everything I am. You throw it away like it's nothing. It's easier than fighting, but now no. You're so inside the agony. Stop for a second, breathe. I'd turn it all around if I could, but I know it's not enough. I've been trying to reach you, baby. I lose my mind. You've been kinda see-through lately, but you're good for me. Cause every time you hurt me, I go na-na, oh na-na. Tell me to leave you, I say na-na, no not now. I've been trying to reach you, baby, to understand you better, baby, tonight. You're struggling to see what I'm doing. Did I take a bullet for you? It's easier to let go, but I won't. I need you here, need you right now. You throw it away like it's nothing. It's easier to let go, but I won't. You're so inside the agony. Stop for a second, breathe. I'd turn it all around if I could, but I know it's not enough. I've been trying to reach you, baby. I lose my mind. You've been kinda see-through lately, but you're good for me. Cause every time you hurt me, I go na-na, oh na-na. Tell me to leave you, I say na-na, no not now. I've been trying to reach you, baby, to understand you better, baby, tonight. Take it all the time, I need to wrap my head around you. Cause God knows I want ya. You're taking everything for me, you don't even know. You're so inside the agony. Stop for a second, breathe. I'll turn it all around if I could, but I know it's not enough. I've been trying to reach you, baby. I lose my mind. You've been kinda see-through lately, but you're good for me. Cause every time you hurt me, I go na-na, oh na-na. Tell me to leave you, I say na-na, no not now. I say na-na, oh na-na. Tell me to leave you, I say na-na, no not now. I've been trying to reach you, baby, to understand you better, baby, tonight.
I hope you found this video extremely helpful and inspiring. Here is the detail of the painting. I really love how the colors interact with each other, and these particular golden acrylics, they give you this wonderful fluid effect. It actually does feel like I'm looking at some water. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. More videos are to come, and I hope to see you back here soon. Happy painting, happy inspiration.